So here, pardon me, I got gnats everywhere as you can tell. This is the 2021 Kia Sorento S all-wheel drive. It's got the 8-speed automatic and the 2.5 natural aspirated. It's not turbocharged, so it's the base engine. And there's like a common misconception on all the YouTube videos that I found so far, and I've seen several of these videos before I bought this vehicle. I don't think anybody seems to know, but all 2021 Sorentos that are all-wheel drive get the 1-inch lift, not just the X-Line. All the videos I've seen are they're talking about like, oh, X-Line you get a 1-inch lift, this, that, and the other. If you go to their website, if you look at your window sticker, for example, mine, everything on there, it includes it. It says 1-inch factory ride height lift. So I don't know where the miscommunication is, but I definitely wanted to clear that up because this does have the 8.3 inches of ground clearance. I actually crawled underneath here myself to measure that. So it does have the 1-inch lift. So if you get a Sorento that's all-wheel drive, you have the lift. So I just wanted to clear that up. So I'm going to have a couple snippets of the trail and stuff like that we went on so far. The factory wheels that, the factory tires that are on this thing are some Hancooks. They're just an all-season tire, nothing crazy. These, I opted to put these on. They've only been on for a few days and love them. Fuel mileage hasn't changed much. I did a little quick video talking about it, but these tires are only 3 pounds more than the other tire that was on here. They have definitely more aggressive tread. You can come in and take a look. You can see where it bites into it. I like the raised leathering here, but you can see where it just bites in. It's got plenty of tread blocks, but they're really close together, kind of like a car tire, to where it won't make a lot of road noise. But they're actually a really good tire. And again, I'm gonna have other snippets of video of what we've done with this thing so far. So just showing you that you can take this thing on some trails and just enjoy it without having to buy the X-Line, the $50,000 top of the line version. So far this thing has been great to us, and it has not gave us any issues. Okay, get the tires on now. Again, ended up switching them out with the Falcon Wild Peak AT Trail. They are 3-peak Mountain Star rated. They look really good. They have a nice aggressive tread pattern and they're good on road and off. That's why I decided to go with these. They're only a 3-pound difference between the Dynapros I had on versus these. These are 34 and 34.2 pounds. The Dynapros are 31.2, and these are actually extra load. So these should be really good on and off road. Okay, so the next several minutes of this video is going to be more or less a montage of me driving like the road to get to the trail that I found. It took me a long time to do some Google Map scouting and trying to find a decent like road and a trail that I can take this down. The main road in is a little rutted and has some potholes and stuff like that, but it's mostly gravel, so it's nothing to write home about. But it is fun to drive on and get some experience with this vehicle though.
So this little pull off right before the trail, we wanted to kind of take a look at it. We've always like seen it while driving by, but the puddles and stuff has always been too much. So we didn't really want to try to risk getting stuck in the mud just to see what's back there. But unfortunately, it literally just stops right there and just does a little loop. So our curiosity was satisfied, but we're hoping there was something else more interesting back that way. But fortunately, no.